A very good evening. Today I am here to share the learning experience of the winter virtual internship. Our everyday experts enlightened us with a lot of new concepts. So the gist of concepts I have learned through this internship is as follows in the PPT. So the day one started with solar PV designing. So the sir gave brief introduction about solar energy, and he made us understand the different types of solar panel such as microcrystalline, polycrystalline and thin film solar cell. And also the photovoltaic cell is further classified into off-grid and on-grid and also hybrid. And he told us about off-grid and on-grid hybrid advantages and disadvantages. So based on the conclusion, I came to know that on-grid solar PV is more beneficial than these two. At last, at the end of the session, he also taught us how to find the power demand and consumption, and he enlightened us with how to design a solar PV with the help of specifications of solar panel. So the session ended, and we were made to design solar panel based on our consumption, house power consumption. This is the activity. So the day 2 was the project based learning. Through this I came to understand the importance of hands-on for better and effective engineering, and also got the idea for mini projects through the site known as LPROCUS as given by sir. The day 3 session was about electrical safety and grounding. This session made me to realize that realize the importance of earthing and grounding for electrical gadgets. I came to know the faults in systems like power systems like line to earth fault, phase faults and the 3-phase faults. And next and also through the day 3 session, sir enlightened us with the electrical systems required for an proper functioning of an airport. So through this I came to know that the electrical systems requirements for an airport is much more complicated. So I was unaware of it. So through this session I was able to get an idea about that. So he also told that the electrical system distribution and power distribution is based on the layout of the airport. So it is as follows: the main energy is split into 3 sources. So main energy sources are 3. So as mentioned in the slide, backup energy source, series feeder and ring main distribution system. So the day 5 was all about tap changers in transformers. The applications of the main purpose of tap changer is it usually increase or decrease the output voltage by changing the turns ratio in the primary or secondary. So as mentioned, there are 2 types of tap changers, which is nothing but no load tap changer and on load tap changer. And at the end of the session we were also given activity to have a better understanding. So the last day was about battery selection. So sir gave us many idea about battery, and he was he gave so much informations about battery. And at the end of the session we were made to he classified several types of battery, and he gave brief note of it. And at the end of the session we were given a project, we were given activity that we have to observe our inverter and write the specifications of it, and we should also we were also made to calculate the backup time. So through this virtual internship, it was truly a knowledge gaining experience. Thank you.